Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine using apples. First, gather your essential winemaking equipment, including a primary fermenter, airlock, and sanitizing solution. Next, select about 10 to 15 pounds of ripe, blemish-free apples for optimal flavor. Thoroughly wash and sanitize all your equipment to prevent any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. This crucial first step ensures a clean and successful fermentation process. Once your apples are clean, wash, core, and chop them into small pieces. Use a fruit press to extract the juice, aiming for about 1 gallon. Now, add about 2 pounds of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast nutrient, and 1 packet of wine yeast to your apple juice. Stir well until everything is dissolved. Finally, transfer this mixture into your sanitized primary fermenter and secure it with an airlock. Allow your apple wine to undergo primary fermentation for about 5 to 7 days, ideally at a temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll notice active bubbling. After this, carefully rack the wine into a clean secondary fermenter, leaving behind any sediment at the bottom. This process, called racking, helps clarify the wine. Then, age the wine for several months to allow its flavors to fully develop and mature. Before bottling, ensure all your bottles and siphoning equipment are thoroughly sanitized. Carefully siphon the aged apple wine into your clean bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. Cork or cap your bottles securely. Remember, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Store your bottled wine in a cool, dark place and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.